So, what is self development? I've been a bit of a self development junkie for my entire life, and self development is really taking steps to improve yourself. And it can be improving your skills, it could be improving your capabilities, you could be getting rid of bad habits, but basically, you become better at doing something. And I've been doing this for an awful long time now. Here is Unlimited Power. This is a course by Tony Robbins that I took, and I think it was back in 1986 or something like that. But back in the 1980s, I got into this kind of stuff. And I took a lot of courses, Mega Memory course, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. That's, again, I don't have all the tapes, but I still got some of the tapes anyways. Program Yourself for Success, subliminal programming. So I've been doing this stuff since the 80s now. And here's all these tapes. Of course, again, I don't have them all. Don't even know if they'd even work anymore. They're so old. And so self-development is the process of actually getting better at things. And, I got into sales. I grew up in a family business, and so I had to get better with people so that I could manage people. I was planning on taking it from where we were in business. We were about $10 million in sales at one point, and I had plans to take it to about 20 million. And so there's a lot of things that go along with that. And I made a lot of efforts to make myself better at different things, including sales. That was the big one. Sales, communications. So NLP and hypnosis, that's what I do now. And so marketing, I was in the printing industry, so I was heavily into marketing, and there's a lot of hypnosis in marketing as well. And so self-development, it's something that we should all be doing. We should all be working towards becoming better people. And when you enhance your skills, you become a better person, and you become more capable of doing different things. And when you get rid of bad habits, you become a better, you serve society better, you become happier, and you achieve the things that you want to achieve in life by becoming better. So that's what self-development is. And so if you want to transform your life, if you want to make a change, if you want to get better, then it's important to work with somebody who really knows what they're doing. And I've been doing this for a long time, so I really know what I'm doing. And with the hypnosis, if you want to make a change, I can save you a whole lot of time. I can save you years. What it might have taken me years to do before, now I can help other people get there a heck of a lot faster than what I did. Wish I knew this a while ago, then I would have went and just got some hypnosis and got myself fixed like that. But no, I've been doing this kind of hypnosis now for a few years now, and it didn't occur to me to do this. And so now that I'm here, I can help other people get to where I am and become better at what they do. So make sure you subscribe and give me the thumbs up here. And thanks for tuning in. And until next time, have a good one.